campaign approval. So it's extremely important to know that for security and compliance reasons, each and every new campaign started on Zeropark must be manually approved. So they're going to make sure they get to them as soon as possible, and they do strive to make sure they approve them like expeditiously. We've seen them approved pretty fast, so just make sure you stick with the guidelines and you shouldn't have any problems, because this is going to be like a human transaction on the back end. It's not going to be a situation where this is a self-service platform where you are able to get automated approvals, because they also do sleep. So they're not going to be available all the time around the clock. They do have certain peak times whenever they do provide 24/7 support. However, they're always available between 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. on the weekdays Central Time, and then always on the weekends and holidays between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. So your campaigns are generally approved within the hour, which is okay. You're good. You can go take a break and do something else. So just make sure you give them a message or contact their support team if you have any issues. Make sure you check your statuses for your campaign and you're all set. And we'll see you in the next video.